Welcome to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds. We're super lucky today. We're not in the Waikato, we're in the mighty Auckland. We're here with Sam McKenzie. Sam, my man.
Hey bro.
Good to see you. So we're on site up at West Auckland Refuge Center transfer station. So we've supplied 3 kit sets as Noble Sheds up here. And Sam McKenzie, he runs Mack Built Sheds and Shed Boss. He's building them. What's cool, Sam's been working. Well, he first built sheds with Paul and Stan. Well, Stan was probably a baby. Paul, I don't know, 18, 20 years ago?
Yeah, coming up 19 years.
19 years. The first shed that Waikato Sheds did, Sam built it. So it's been awesome. Was our ops manager and is now running his show up here. So how long have you guys been on site so far here?
We are on day 3 here.
Yeah.
Started Tuesday, Thursday now, so got a few more portals to build, and then we've got a 20-ton crane coming in here in the morning to start standing them all up.
Awesome. So this is a 15 by 60, this shed here. So that will be 5 metre bays. What's that going to be? That's 12 bays,
Yep.
so 12 portals in here. So
Yep.
yeah, it's pretty full on and intense. I've got some cool drone footage of it. But yeah, it's all just going together well. Any tips and tricks for when you're building the portals on the ground?
The more you can do on the ground, the better, eh?
Yeah.
We're still going to put all our screws on top, so we'll mark all our roof purlins out, all the side girts, our wind posts, mullions. Yeah, just so it makes tomorrow smooth.
That's awesome. All right, we'll be stopping back in and seeing the progress on these sheds. We've got some renders we'll show, but they're going to look fantastic. So it's great to be able to do some of this work, and it's actually going to be helping save the planet, you know, recovering resources and that. That's what we're all about here, eco warriors. So cheers for that, guys, and thanks for the update. Cheers, Sam.